Hey everyone, it's Arden here, and today I'm going to blow your mind. I just made $10,000 with Livegood affiliate, and guess what? That's right, no crazy sales calls, no huge investments, just pure profit. If you're looking for a legit way to make money online, Livegood affiliate program, yes Livegood, might be your answer. Not only affiliate, you can earn in 7 ways, so stick around to the end, where I'll share exactly how I set up these high-converting businesses. Only 3 steps to reaching your dream. First, lock in your life-changing position link below. Second, join the Livegood affiliate program. Third, promote your affiliate link with this premium traffic. And finally, sit back and make a profit. What is a business mantra? First, prepare yourself with your mind. Second, listen from beginning to end, take a breath, and take action. Third, invest small, slowly, and get a profit. Remember, there is nothing free. So don't waste your time and energy on a free profit story on social media if you want to reach your dream goal.